Don't you like playing dress up? It's so liberating. Like, I could be anybody I want to be. So let's do something fun today. Let's pull out every single upcycle I've ever made, that I still own that is, and let's try on and restyle all of them. Hey, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. Okay, so quick dance break while we make a few service announcements. First, all of the how-to tutorials for these are linked in the description box below. But some of these upcycles are from very early in my channel, so I may not have a direct tutorial for it. But if there is a similar one, I will definitely link it below. Second, this video was shot completely vertically, so if you're watching on a phone or tablet, just hold it vertically and hit that little square at the bottom so you'll have that full screen experience. All right, let's do this. All right, let's come up for air just for a moment while I show you a few upcycles that I didn't style in this video. And I know that there's a whole lot packed in this video, so please feel free to watch it multiple times to take it all in. But today I want to know, what is your favorite item of clothing in your wardrobe right now? I mean, like every time you wear it, you feel amazing. Let me know in the comments and I'll show you mine towards the end. I just have on this subscribe tee that I upcycled, and these shorts, which are made for like a swim cover up, which I haven't been swimsuit shopping yet for the year yet, and my fancy beanie. So definitely let me know in the comment section which outfits and which pieces were your favorite, and definitely check out some more videos. All the links for anything that I've made a tutorial for is in the description box, so check that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.